What if 4 people surrounded you right now? No weapons, no escape, just you and them. Most people think there are only 2 choices, fight or run. But what if I told you there's a third option? One that has helped ordinary people escape dangerous situations without throwing a single punch. The question is, what did they know that everyone else didn't? By the end of this video, you'll know too. Here's the surprising part. Your biggest enemy in a 1 versus 4 situation isn't the 4 people. It's your own brain. The second panic takes over. Your breathing gets faster, your vision narrows, and your ability to think clearly starts disappearing. Psychologists call this tunnel vision. And the scary part? The group can often see your fear before you even say a word. Now listen carefully, because this might save you one day. Never react faster than everyone expects. Most people instantly shout, threaten, or try to run. That's exactly what everyone expects. But if you simply stop, stay calm, and remain silent for just 2 seconds, something unexpected happens. Suddenly, they're the ones wondering what you're about to do. This is called pattern interruption. When people expect one reaction but get something completely different, their brains hesitate. For a brief moment, they stop acting and start thinking. That tiny pause may only last a second or two, but psychologically, it changes everything. You're no longer reacting emotionally. You're quietly taking control of the situation. Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They lock eyes with the loudest person. Don't. That's exactly what the leader wants. Instead, calmly look at everyone. You'll often notice one person looking away, staying unusually quiet, or seeming uncomfortable. Every group has someone who's unsure. And believe it or not, that one person can completely change the group's confidence. Remember this. Groups don't think the same way individuals do. They feed off each other's confidence. The moment one person starts doubting what's happening, that doubt quietly spreads through the entire group. Your goal isn't to beat 4 people. It's to break their confidence before anything even starts. And the next psychological technique is the one that makes even the leader begin to lose control. Here's something most people never realize. In tense situations, emotions spread faster than words. If one person becomes more aggressive, others often follow. But the opposite can also be true. A steady voice, controlled breathing, and calm movements can sometimes reduce the emotional temperature of the entire situation. It doesn't guarantee safety, but it helps you avoid making things worse. Another powerful habit is to avoid challenging anyone's ego. Public embarrassment can make people double down just to save face. Instead of arguing about who's right, focus on getting out safely. Simple phrases like, "I don't want any problems," or "let's leave it here," can shift the conversation away from proving a point and toward ending the conflict. Pay attention to the environment. Is there an exit nearby? Are there other people around? Can you move toward a well-lit or crowded area without looking like you're running? Situational awareness gives you options. The more options you have, the less likely you'll feel trapped into making a bad decision. One mistake people make is letting pride make decisions. Winning an argument isn't worth risking serious injury. Sometimes the smartest move looks unimpressive. Walking away may not satisfy your ego, but it protects your future. Real confidence isn't proving you're fearless. It's knowing which battles aren't worth fighting. The strongest people aren't always the loudest. They're the ones who can stay clear-headed while everyone else is acting emotionally. That self-control influences every decision you make, from the words you choose to the moment you decide to leave. And in many situations, that calm thinking is what keeps you safe. So remember this. A 1 versus 4 situation isn't something you win. The real victory is getting home safely. If you can stay calm, think clearly, avoid escalating the conflict, and leave when the opportunity appears, you've already succeeded. Strength isn't always about fighting. Sometimes it's about having the discipline not to. If you learned something new today, subscribe for more psychology that helps you think smarter, not fight harder.